Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can scan a QR code for Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, QR codes on Instagram are a method which you can use to share your profile with other people, or that other people can use to share their profile with you. And it is very easily used. Let me just show you quickly what it looks like. And to do this, or to access your QR code, you need to go into the bottom right, click on your profile icon, and then click share profile. And as you can see, you can share it by sending it to people via social media. You can copy the link, you can download it, or you can scan this QR code that is on my screen right now. Now, to scan this QR code, if somebody else gives it to you, all you need to do is have your device at hand and you need to enter your camera app. Once you're done with that, you need to just cover the camera or point the camera at the QR code, and it should scan it, since most modern phones do have software to scan QR codes built in. However, if you don't, you also have a wide variety of other options. You can use third-party software or any other QR code scanner that you can find integrated in other apps, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.